what role does digital twin play here?
Digital twins are for us really important because it gives us insights in things we can't see or didn't see in the past. So, for example, look at our PLM process with many different styles or types of digital twins. So, beginning from a rough planning of our production concepts. So, there are rough locations of the machines and so on. And here you can validate, okay, what would be the best basic idea to produce your product. Going over in the detailed planning of our production planning, we will have much more detailed models. Not that abstract. So in a production environment, you're not willing to stop your production, your real production, because this is what makes the money. So, and having a digital twin, you can try out different scenarios, answer different questions your stakeholders have here at this point, and it makes it so unique and so important to integrate it into today's production planning.
And as you say, the key is the simulation, the ability to try things out. What if I do it this way, I lay it out that way, even simulating the movement of the most optimum way of having three robots working in the same space, right?
Yeah.
Now Lars, when it comes to digital twin, what's the role of IT-OT integration? How does it all fit together?
A really big one, a really important one. Because when it comes to digital twins, they need to be accurate so that we can trust on the results they create. So getting the real data from the shop floor, be able to get them, to have the access on it is really important. Also to prepare them in a way that our simulation model can work with it. And this is why IT-OT connection is really important for us. This is why things like the edge computing is really important for us.
What role do digital twins play for sustainability?
A really important one. So coming back to production planning, let's say. Usually you're looking on your costs, on your time, and on the quality when you're planning your production system. We will decide between different alternative concepts based on what the simulation, the digital twin, gives us the answer the digital twin will give us in terms of sustainability. This is what a digital twin offers us in terms of that. Because we see these dynamic behaviors of a system and can get a lot of information out of it before even it's there in the real world. This is a great benefit.
And as you say, with all of the simulation tools, physics models, mathematical model, and you can game out the different, well, if I do this, what's the sustainability pluses and minuses, and recycling all the way through the food chain.
And again, can give you a detailed example. So what we're doing. So you see here all the HEVs passing by. So we're trying right now out what's the best way to control them, maybe to charge them. When we're having solar panels on the roof, so maybe we can adapt another controls for our charging behavior of the HEVs. So which makes you in sustainability much more, let's call it efficient in the end.
A whole different angle.
A technology I'm really passionate about is to combining material flow simulation with another tools as we discussed before. So for example, the software in the loop approach. So using a mathematical algorithm optimization, let's say, like Siemens heats, for example, and combine it with plant simulation, or even using GA Wizard within plant simulation, which is technically the same, but using this and be able to getting your information, your results much more faster, because you do not have to simulate the whole solution area, which is easily up to billions of possibilities. So using then this technology will get you the information much more faster, and this is really a great thing, and there's a lot more to do, and passionate about it for the future.
Now, you've accomplished so much here already. What's next?
What's next? Of course, we're here at Electronics Factory in Erlangen, and there's one answer on this question, which is the Industrial Metaverse. This is the next level, what we want to achieve. But nevertheless, we're continuing our current path, which we've been going in the recent years. So for us, there is not much change in the streams, let's call it. Yeah. So like for me, a blind simulation expert. So we're doing all the things like democratization of material flow simulation. So bring it brighter, bring more real data from the shop floor, prepare them, and bring them into our digital models. So our streams will continue, but with the Industrial Metaverse, they will connect with each other, and then we will have this immersive, collaborative environment, which we're all looking for.